Well, it is raining outside, so I thought I would make myself some really nice vegetable soup. Look at all the great vegetables in there. There's asparagus, tomatoes, carrots, zucchini, celery, and of course, gotta have my chili pepper. And I have some squash, and let's see what else, seasonings. And guess what? This whole entire cast iron pot of soup is under 150 calories. That's right. The whole entire pot is just that amount. And then per serving, I don't know, it's probably around 60 calories. And it's delicious and it's hearty and it's very good for you. So, oh, and I forgot I put onions as well, as you can see. All right, well, there you have it.